Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us. Well, we've got more sunny, warm weather on the way, but things will go downhill towards the end of the week as a cold front moves through. So this is the setup for Tuesday. The high parked well out to our east, and it's going to be there for the rest of the week pretty much. The wind flow around the country you can very clearly see going in an anticyclonic fashion around the anticyclone, and so therefore we've got Noreasters, which are a little cloudy and cool with a couple of showers in there for the north, and then they warm up a lot more as they come down over the ranges. The air dries out further and the temperatures go up further, so that's why central Otago could be getting into the mid, possibly late 20s over the next few days, and Southland, Canterbury, Marlborough, and also into Hawke's Bay, all those regions getting into at least the low to mid 20s. So this is how it looks for Wednesday. Again, our big high just to the east, and the airflow across the country is coming out of the northerly quarter. It's northeast for the North Island. It goes more northerly to northwesterly around the upper South Island and Cook Strait, and you've got light variable winds which might produce an afternoon shower around the central Otago areas, but you can see what's waiting in the wings there. So once we get to Thursday, in comes this low. Now, it's not the deepest low in the world, but it's got all this rain attached to it, which will start in Fiordland on Thursday, and you might even get a few more showers popping up in the cloudyish north to northeasterly, which is coming in around the upper North Island. The flip side means it'll be dry and hot, though, in many of those eastern areas. And then we get to Friday, and it's a cool down day, really, for everybody. In comes the cold front. Now, it's not really going to get overly cold for many areas, but the temperatures will drop from where they've been over the last few days. So you'll see that burst of rain or showers or drizzle patches. It'll all be in the mix as it comes in on Friday, but the temperatures will drop further in the South Island. There's a wee southerly just coming in behind it. Now to the weekend, and Saturday looks pretty much the same as Friday. I guess you've got another low out here, more rain for the west coast, and there'll be cloud and spillover into Southland and Otago, maybe into Canterbury as well, although it's still fairly warm for everybody else. The winds are still coming in from the northwest for most of you, but there's a chance of rain here, blocked by the high, and out in the Tasman Sea, it's just westerlies helping to sort of blow it inland. So there is a line of showers on Saturday that could turn to rain. It's still a bit 50-50 though if it happens over land or perhaps just out at sea. And then you can see for Sunday that area of rain is just sitting slightly out to sea now. So it could be around on Saturday. It might be a bit cloudy still on Sunday. And then you've got all this wind and rain, sort of a reminder that we're still in spring and not summer yet, coming through on Sunday with the sou'westers and a colder change. It'll be much cooler on Sunday in the South Island due to that sou'west change. Typical spring weather. And by the way, with November now coming in, we can probably expect more of these big highs in Australia to start coming our way. Before I go, a great photo taken this morning by Andrew in Redcliffs in Christchurch. Look at that, what a beautiful morning it is. And like I say, Canterbury, you got a couple of beautiful days on the way. That is all from me. We'll update you again on Wednesday.